Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix CapCut auto captions stuck at 45. So let's get started. If you're using CapCut and your auto captions get stuck at 45%, don't worry, it's a common issue, and I'll show you a few easy ways to fix it. First, make sure your CapCut app is updated to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs that can cause auto captions to freeze. On PC, open CapCut, go to Settings, then go to Version, and click Check for updates. On mobile, open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for CapCut, and install any available updates. If that doesn't help, restart the app completely. Close it from your recent apps, then reopen it and try generating captions again. This can clear temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the caption generation process. If your video file is large, try exporting it at a lower resolution, like 720p instead of 1080p. Smaller files usually process faster. Also, make sure your audio is clear and loud enough. Poor audio quality can confuse CapCut's speech recognition, so slightly increasing your video's volume might help improve accuracy. Still not working? Try switching the language in the caption settings. Sometimes the issue is with language recognition. If nothing works, reinstall CapCut. Delete it, download it again from the official website or app store, then try the auto caption tool once more. You can also try CapCut's online version at capcut.com. It's often more updated and might fix the issue instantly. And finally, if none of these methods work, reach out to CapCut support for further help. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.